So we've threaded all our beads on.
Yep. Right, but anyway.
This one's a bit small for me, but we've threaded it all on. We take our fixed bead off, hook it through our last loop. The loop doesn't have to be that big on mine. That's the size of my loop on mine.
Alright.
Okay, so whatever suits you. And if you have a look, you have one piece of leather through that fixed bead. You know how I said the three pieces of leather rule?
Mm-hmm.
And then you've got 2 pieces of leather here, and you listen for your click. Sometimes the leather gets a little bit pinched in, I think, in the hinge, or it gets pinched on the knot. If you don't hear that click, do it again. Open it and do it again, because the last thing you want to do is lose, 1, the fixed bead, 2, the whole